Alright, new from Dirtbag Customs, new carbon fiber insert. The case protector so that when the belt breaks, it doesn't explode the case. 9 times out of 10, your case is going to crack when that belt breaks, and you're lucky if you get 500 miles out of a belt. We designed this new carbon fiber insert and quick drop in. So I'm going to show you how easy and simple it is to install. These are the tools, the Phillips, a Torx head, that's the factory one that comes with it. This is what I like using, and a mallet just to tap everything in place. So come on in here and I'll show you what we got. We take this side cover off. I've already loosened everything, so take these two off, loosen those, pop this off, set that aside, then go in, remove all the Torx heads here for the cover. So I took all of them out except for 2. So let's take these 2 out, and I'm using a different screwdriver than the stock. It's just a little easier, and I'm sure there's better ways to do it. But take the screws out. So you'll have 11 screws. So right now I took all of them out but 2 just to speed up the process. Take the 2 out. Pop the cover off. Now you're at the belt. Grab your carbon fiber insert from Dirtbag Customs. Line it up, and it's got a cutout for the swing arm and the trailing arm, and a cutout for the shock, just slightly. So slide this thing in, work it left and right, slide it in place, drop it in, take your mallet, just kind of tap it so that it's nice and snug and it's flush. Alright, now that it's done, you got your case protector in place. Now you just take your cover, put it back on, put your hose back on, and that's it. It's that simple. You don't have to remove the shocks, you don't have to do any of this, take anything else out. It's actually a quick 10-minute install if you're taking your time.